Hello amazing people in the YouTube. Today I'm gonna share my shop page from where you can get your dream project. Doesn't matter, it can be an e-commerce website or a GPT website or portfolio or blog or any other. And also I'm gonna share my repository link which from where you can get more than 100 plus projects, which is totally free. You can just find that entire segment, and also you can go through the playlist. You can grab it from there. Now this is the first video for your production grade application playlist, and this is just an intro because here I'm going to share this all the projects, like how you can get the code and how you can start building the setup on that. Like imagine I'm gonna having an build for this one. Like this is just a simple an application for that a baby shop e-commerce website, which gonna having a fully backend structure, front end, and also server side application. And from there you can buy your code, you can grab the code, and then you can use it. And there is every single consignment is right there, which is available for you to go through it. And by the way, if you look forward in the repository here, also there is the baby mart, which is the public repository, and this is the free version for you where you can build this entire application. So there is two part is already finished, so other rest it will be coming very soon. So in against every single project here, like this is the production grade project, but for every single project right here, there is a version which is the free available for you. You can use it, you can utilize it, and you can just make it your own project. And now all the project right here, this is a production grade. And why I'm making this video, because in the comment section I want you to jump through it. I want you to let me know whatever the projects you want me to build at next, and for what project you are looking forward to, and I'm gonna provide the code. I'm gonna do it for you, so that can be a really remarkable achievement to go by the way. And also you can like feel free to make any recommendation which can be like whatever the missing in your like portfolio, then we can go and structurize with that. And also if you doesn't find any structurable project in that repository, that can also be aligned through to let me know in the comments how and why you need another project which can be make a better for you. So this is a kind of an intro video about the shop which I am having here using that buy me a coffee, and you can see it's pretty decent. And any project if you're looking forward, you cannot purchase or you have a lack of money, let me know in the comments. I will try my best to provide you the source code for free and maybe with the minimal price. So let me know in the comments, or you can directly reach me out using my email or connecting with my LinkedIn account, or you can go with my X account, or go anywhere. You can connect with me for anything. So this is the home page, and also you can carve for my membership here. And from the membership it will be a very helpful to go with the gig. It's just a bronze, silver, and gold level. It's minimal amount of money. You can go through it if you wanted to. You can go, that's up to you. And there is a lot of posts I'm writing each and every day which can be really helpful, especially as you can see for developers guideline, or especially for you the career guidelines, which can really help you to find a better job, or which can really help you to understand how and why we need to do something different than whatever we are building till now. So this is how we can start through it. And again, if you're still here, thank you very much. Because of you people, I'm still here and making things right, making the contents more glossy, and trying to building a lot of things by so far. So all the very best to tuning me, subscribing my channel, and liking a lot of videos for in my channel. And thank you very much overall. So this particular playlist, it will be only for the production grade build up. So all the project here, because the next video is gonna coming up in this channel regarding that one, which is the ChatGPT Pro. I'm gonna provide the entire code structure, how it's gonna work. Similarly, all the project wherever I'm gonna update, and then you can grab it and you can see what kind of things it can be done right here. So all the very best, and to still tuning on me. I'm gonna see you in the next build, and jump in the comment section. Let me know whatever the next project you are looking forward to, and also let me know what's the things you want me to adopt, and what's the teaching method it can be really good for you if I'm just go and alongside be handling with that. And very soon, within 1 or 2 months, there is some of the courses of mine is coming, so I hope so you're gonna be tuning with that too. So all the very best, stay good, be healthy, and I'm gonna see you in a lot of the videos which gonna upcoming next. Stay tuned, all the best.